What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to swap Polygon to SUI in Phantom Wallet. So in order for you to swap Polygon to SUI here in Phantom Wallet, you need to do a few things. So first things first is you need to allow the use of the SUI network into your account. So in order for you to do that, you want to open up the Phantom Wallet app and you want to go and click on your account at the top left here and click on the gear icon at the top right. Now from here, you want to go and scroll down a bit until you see active networks. Go ahead and click on it. And you just need to make sure that SUI is turned on. Now, just to give you some information, SUI or the SUI network here is still in the beta phase, so not all features are published or complete yet. So in this case, just keep that in mind. So let's go and go back. Now, once you've enabled that, what we need to do is we want to choose swap here. Let's go and choose the UPay section. Now for the UPay, since we want to convert from Polygon to SUI, you want to go and choose Polygon. So let's go and choose the Polygon network, choose Polygon. Now from here, you want to go and choose the you receive section, and you want to go and set this to SUI. Let's go and click on it, click on SUI here. And in this case, during the time of the recording of this video, currently, if you're going to search for any tokens on the SUI network, it's not yet possible for us to swap it as of this moment. Again, it's still in beta phase here, but if you can access SUI here or SUI token here, you go and use that, click that in here, and basically once you go back into the previous UI, you go and click on swap now. Just make sure to review the price, fees, slippage here, and price impact. Just make sure that you're okay with that, but click on swap now. And also, if you're swapping cross chain here, the fees are going to be a lot higher. Just keep that in mind. But just in case, if you can't do this way, there's another way for you to make this swap. So at the bottom right, you go and click on the search icon here. Now from here, you go and click on side tokens URL and just type in portal. Press enter. Now you want to go and choose portal bridge here. Now if you do see Google, just need to go back one page, choose portal bridge. And from here, we want to go and specify a few things. So since we want to swap from Polygon to SUI, so the from section is going to be set as Polygon. Let's go and click on plus or other. Just type in Polygon. Choose Polygon in the options here. Let's go and choose Polygon. And the to is going to be SUI. So in this case, choose the other again. Type in SUI. Choose SUI. And again, you could go and choose SUI here. And once you've done that, what you do is you just need to specify the amount here and just click on connect. Now, you just need to connect your wallet or your Phantom wallet here in order for you to proceed with the transaction. And again, the fees might be a lot higher if you're going to do this way, so since we are swapping cross-chain here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.